Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop GST returns and invoices module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module and I'll show you that how you can add a newly added GST tax system into your Prestashop. Now let's just go to the Prestashop back office to see the configuration part and the process to add various tax slab related to the GST system into the Prestashop. As you can see, I have already installed this module in my Prestashop. So in order to configure the module, click on the configure button. Under the configuration setting, you only need to add a GST IN number and the registered address of your company so that the GST tax slab rates are added into your taxage section or tax rules section. After saving these details, you can go to the international section. Under international section, there is a tab of taxes. Now, under the taxes section, you will find that the tax and tax rules related to the GST tax slab rates of various rates, that is which you can see here now on the screen, is added here. Now you can add these GST tax rates to your products and your customer will need to pay the amount of order based on the particular GST tax slab added to the product. In order to add a GST tax onto the product, go to the product section. As you can see, currently this product is applying a rule of United States tax rate, but now after the integration of the module, you can always update the tax rate if you are selling this product in India, basically, particularly in India, you can say, then you will need to add a particular GST tax rate based on the type of product which you are selling here. Now, after adding the particular GST tax slab rate, your customer also needs to add his particular GST IN number so that GST invoice can be generated. In order to add a GST IN number, your customer will get an option under the addresses section to add a GST IN code, and in case if he has already added a GST IN code, then he can always go and choose to update, edit or delete the GST IN code added by him under the particular address. Now, when the customer orders any product that is being offered by applying a particular GST tax rate, a GST tax invoice is also generated. An admin can always go to the back office to generate all the GST tax invoices for the products that have been ordered along with the GST tax rate. To generate the GST invoice, go to the order section. Then a new tab of GST system is added here. Under this GST system, you can always generate or download the invoices for the particular order paid created by customers and the customers who have paid the amount by applying a particular GST tax rate or tax rate that was applicable on the product. In order to download the invoice, click on this button. And you can also generate the CSV file and export that file to it, whichever location you want for this GST invoices. All the GST invoices will be available here, and only those invoices will be available here for where the products have been offered along with the GST tax system. And the customer has ordered that along with applying that particular GST tax rate because he was ordering from the country particular India. So this was all about the configuration and the process of adding the GST tax system into the Prestashop. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.